Hello, my name is Abigail Gilbert, and I'm an undergraduate researcher in the Leap Up Biology Education Lab at the University of Washington. My research project focuses on evaluating the accuracy of new machine learning models developed to score constructed response formative assessment questions. These questions give better insight into student reasoning than multiple choice assessments, but require more time to score. As a result, computer scoring models have been utilized in order to increase scoring accuracy. However, any automated substitute for human evaluation should be analyzed for reliable accuracy. For a biology constructed response question developed by the Leap Up Lab, we hypothesized an increased scoring accuracy occurs for students from the University of Washington due to a possible specificity of the scoring rubric to University of Washington curriculum, and an increase in accuracy occurs in post-instruction responses due to an increased specificity of response vocabulary. Our experimental design began with data collection, which was followed by scoring of each student's response by 2 trained researchers and the trained computer scoring program. Demographic and training data for all responses were integrated into the dataset, and logistic regression analysis was used to predict accuracy dependence on key student factors. AIC values were used to perform best fit model selection for each regression analysis, and significant results were interpreted from the best fit models. Our results showed no demographic variables were significant. However, the institution and timing results showed the opposite trend than what we hypothesized in our original model. The results showed higher inaccuracy for UW students compared to non-UW students, with post-instructional evaluation increasing the likelihood of inaccuracy for UW students. To try to explain these new results, we looked at the reasoning levels of UW and non-UW students and found that the majority of higher level responses were UW students' post-test responses. So we reran the logistical regression analysis, controlling for the reasoning score, and found that institution type and timing were no longer significant. The only thing that mattered was the student's reasoning level. Graphing the percentage of total responses from UW and non-UW students, as well as the timing of evaluation, shows the overrepresentation of UW students and post-test responses in higher reasoning levels. The bar graph to the right of the screen explains the first model's results. Our findings are important for confirming that the computer scoring model is equally accurate across demographic groups, but also identifying further training in upper-level responses is needed before we can implement this computer scoring in classrooms. Our next steps will include just that. We are analyzing misscored responses in upper reasoning levels to determine what reasoning patterns may impact the computer's accuracy. We will then work to retrain the program and reevaluate its accuracy for improvement. Thank you all for taking the time to watch and listen to my research project. I would especially like to thank all the students and professors for their participation, and Acer for their role in our research project as well.